Hello parents and future innovators, welcome back to Precision Playthings. Today we are going to go ahead and unbox this Mechanix Safari kit from the manufacturer Zephyr. So as usual, we go ahead with the step-by-step process of building this kit, and we go ahead and review the difficulty and the dexterity involved in building these STEM toys. So stay with us till the end of the video and let's see how these models come out. We'll be going ahead and building this model today. The box comes neatly packed with the required tools and the pieces. So without further ado, let us go ahead and unbox it and start building. Let's start with step 1. These are the pieces and the required nuts and bolts for step 1. Step 1 is complete. Let us go ahead and move to step 2. So these are the pieces required for step 2. Step 2 is complete. Let us move to step 3. These are the required pieces for step 3. Let's continue building. Step 3 is complete. We are moving to step 4. These are the required pieces for step 4. Let's continue building. Step 4 is complete. Let us move to step 5. These are the required pieces for step 5. Step 5 is complete. I'm not going to go ahead and install these 2 seats. I'm just going to keep it as a 2-seater. These are the required pieces for step 6. These are the required pieces for the final step with the 2 shafts. Let us go ahead and install it. This looks really good. This is made up of some type of rubber material. Looks really nice and fits really nice as well. I generally like 2-seater off-road vehicles, so I just want to keep it like that. For example, I like the 2-seater Jimny a lot better than the 4-seater one. So I'd say this is a tribute to that 2-seater Jimny to be introduced in India. Side by side, this Safari Jeep does look really neat. Here is the size comparison between the Mechanix race car and the Mechanix Safari kit. I'd still give this build a 5-star and a 4-star for this Safari kit. If you like this video, give us a like. Do subscribe to our channel for more build and comparison reviews. And do follow Precision Playthings on Facebook and Instagram for more update on STEM toys. Thank you. You have a great day. Bye bye.